Sometimes, a warm good morning to my audiences. Hello, today I am going to speak about why we need to read a book page by page rather than skim reading. The concept of skim reading has been put into the minds of us during the school when we were working on our comprehensions. Teachers used to teach us that we need to do skim reading so that we can read it quite easily and quite fast so that we can save time and just write the answers and be point. But when you are reading a book, especially a novel, there are two options through which you can know the story. One is to read each and every page and get the insight of it, and the other part is through skim reading. Both has its advantages and disadvantages. So first let's tell me about the advantages of detailed reading. Detailed reading in my say I would say is the actual reading. When you read a novel, every page of that novel gives you a different picture of the story. It makes you present in the it makes you present in the real world. It actually makes you feel that you are actually being a part of that system. It has actually been part of the system. For example, when you read a novel page by page, you find yourself in complete reality. Means you are actually not reading it theoretically, but you are practically present in that environment. And that feeling to be practically present in that environment will only come if you read a novel page by page, because that will create a story, that will create a comprehensive story of that part, or else the other things would get missed. The way the novel describes its weather, the detailed environment, the curtains, the texture, the flooring, the way the someone had spoken, the tuning, the tone, each and everything has been described in a specific manner in order to make you feel that you are actually really present in that environment rather than just going towards it. Now that was about detailed reading. Now we will be talking about skim reading. When you do a skim reading, you get an overall knowledge about the novel, but you're not able to actually get into that part of the novel which the novel is actually trying to make you understand. Yeah, you will know the summary of it, but that summary will just pass from your mind, that it will enter through one ear and come out with other ear. It's a invaluable concept. There is no point of reading in that manner. So I would say, if you are reading a novel, put your heart into it, put your time, your devotion and dedication into it if you are reading it, or else don't read it. That would be a better option. Thank you everyone listening to me patiently. Please subscribe my channel. The bell button is being present down. Please click that button even.